In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the trailer brake control module on this Ford F-350. Let's get started. To get ourselves a lot better access, we need to remove this panel. Just because my vehicle is missing the radio does not make this procedure any different for removing this panel. Whether you have it in there or not, it is the same procedure. Down on the lower right-hand corner of the panel, you're going to have the line-in input. Pry this panel out. There we go. This will allow us to get behind it and unbolt it. I'm going to disconnect the electrical connector and set that aside. Right in the corner here, a little bit difficult to see, is a 7mm headed screw. We have to remove that. And there it is. With the panel freed up on one side, do the same to the other side. Pull the panel away now. You can't go too far with it, but you have to unplug everything that's on the back side. So just reach and feel for the connectors. They will all have some locking tabs on them that you can pull on to unplug them. Once you unplug that side, you can flip it over a little bit more and unplug the rest. This connector right here for the HVAC controls is one of those flip connectors, so you have to press the center to unlock it, and then you flip this tab up like this. And finally, our brake control or trailer brake control module, unplug that. Now to remove this trailer brake control module, first pop out your coin tray, just because it's going to fall out anyway, so you might as well remove it. And then what you want to do is take this, push it down like that, and then at the top has two tabs that you have to squeeze down. You can use a pry tool to help you out. While you squeeze down, you have to press it through so it can slide out of its spot. There we go. Just like that, push it through the front. There's the old one. Take the new one, slide it into position. That's locked in completely. And put your coin tray back in. There we go. Let's plug in all of the electrical connectors now. For these on the side, I'm going to have to push the panel quite a bit closer just to make them reach. And making sure that all wires are out of the way, reinstall the panel. Press it into place. Let's put in the 7mm bolts that go on this upper panel. Snug those up, and then install the correct inserts for each side. So on this side, we had our line in. And the bolt on this side, of course. And this side had the 12-volt plug. And there we have it. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.